Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will explain a very basic material from English study, which is about part of speech. But in this video, I will not explain the whole part of speech. But in this video, I will explain about conjunction. And this video is a task of replacing Final English 2 at Rahma High School of Management and Computer Science, Yogyakarta in the 2019 and 2020 years. Before that, I want to thank for Mr. Shafrianto, SMSSM, as a lecturer in English study at Rahma Yogyakarta. In this video, there will be several sessions. There is an introduction session, and also I will explain about conjunction. And later there are some examples that I will give to make it easier for friends to understand about conjunction, and also the closing statement from me, so that we are all more enthusiastic in learning. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadrul Arhan. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Aceh. Now, I study in Rahma High School of Management and Computer Science, Yogyakarta, semester 2. And my major is Technology Information. And I'm active on social media, the web, and also YouTube. Yeah, please visit for friends. Hopefully, can be friend and share. And in Yogyakarta, I live in Kalasan, Sleman. Maybe that's all from my introduction. We just go to the discussion about conjunction. Okay, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunctions are considered to be invariable grammar particles, and they may or may not stand between items they conjoin. There are several different types of conjunction that do various jobs within sentence structure. These include subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverb. When people first learn to write, they usually begin with short, basic sentence like this. My name is Tama. I am a boy. I like dogs. One of the most important jobs conjunction do is to connect this short sentence, so they sound more like this. I am a boy named Tama, and I like dogs. I will not explain everything, but at this meeting I will explain the method of coordinating conjunction. When talking about coordinating conjunction, we remember the acronym FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so, tend to be negative and are used to contrast things. Meanwhile, or is neutral because it offers alternative choice that can be good, bad, or both. Where conjunction is used, conjunction are used for connecting words. So conjunction are used between existing words as links between words, so they are easier to hear. And when conjunction is used, most conjunction are used when writing and also when speaking, because they make words more connected and maintains our rhythm when speaking, and also make sentence nicer and neater. And how the conjunction is used. Conjunction are for connecting talk, action, and ideas, as well as nouns, clauses, and other parts of speech. Conjunction are useful for making lists. When using conjunction, make sure that all the parts of your sentence agree. And why is conjunction usage important? Well, in my opinion, it will be very strange if conjunction does not exist. Words cannot be connected, and when we speak, it becomes difficult to understand. Because there is a conjunction, We can manage the rhythm of speaking more easily in hearing, and writing becomes easier to understand. So for your easy to understand, I give you few example of sentence and example of paragraph. This is a list conjunction. You can read this. Number 1, I have 2 goldfish and a cat. Number 2, you can have peach, ice cream, or a brownie sundae. Number 3, I study English even though it's hard, but I don't give up. And the last example, you can search a conjunction, example conjunction in the paragraph. So this is closing statement by me. Please read, hopefully it can motivate, use a little to improve something that is less good than ourselves, so that we can all achieve our goals. Maybe that's just a video explanation of conjunction. Sorry if the video is not interesting. I really expect critics and advice from all viewers so that the video forward is better. Okay, bye, see you next time, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.